Hello everyone, eyes are our window to the world.
So let's love our eyes even while at work. Hi, I'm Dr. Maithri, ophthalmologist at Narayan Nethralaya, Bangalore.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sanket Bhatnagar. I'm a consultant ophthalmologist at Narayan Nethralaya, Indiranagar.
Make sure to wear your prescription glasses regularly even when you're at work.
So, if you're wearing your prescribed glasses, be very sure that your glasses are clean, there are no smudges over it or scratches. So, you clean your glasses periodically with a soft cloth like this, and so that there is no glare or any kind of hazy vision even with the glasses on.
You have to follow the 20-20-20 rule. That is, every 20 minutes, look away at 20 feet for 20 seconds from your screen.
So, if your work involves working in front of screens for long hours, make sure that the brightness of the screen is at an optimum. It's not at a distance or a angle which is showing the light directly on your eye. Your eyes should be comfortable. There should not be a lot of glare which is drying up your eyes and giving you vision problems because of it.
If you're working in an environment which involves chemicals, welding, any kind of powders, please make sure you wear protective eye gear so that you don't get any injuries or allergies to the substance.
In case if there is a spill of chemical in your eye or there is any kind of foreign body which hits your eye, don't self-medicate, don't try to remove it yourself. Go visit your ophthalmologist and get the right treatment for it.
If your work involves driving, make sure that your headlights are at a lower beam so that not only are your eyes protected, you're protecting the people driving in the opposite direction as well.
If you experience a lot of headaches, strain on the eyes, any kind of dryness or watering, irritation, redness, better to show to your eye doctor and get it treated once.
Do get an annual checkup or a regular periodic checkup done for your eyes to make sure you don't have any issues with them or to make sure that your glasses are absolutely correct.
If your work involves a lot of physical labor and there is a lot of sweat involved, keep your eyes and area around the eye clean with a clean cloth. Don't rub your eyes without washing your hands, because a lot of dust around the nail bed might go inside the eye and give you allergies and foreign body sensations and other type of problems. So not just the eyes, it's important to keep a track of your body and mind at work also.
Make sure to eat healthy.
Live a healthy lifestyle.
Keep yourself well hydrated.
And always keep your BP, sugar, cholesterol also periodically under check. So
Do not
let your eyes fail you at work. Thank you.